Hi guys, this is GAZ World. I'm just doing a little review today on the iPhone 11, Apple iPhone unboxing, and just tell you a little bit of details about it. Just sort of a heads up. So let's have a look what we've got today. Nothing like getting a new phone. Let's have a look. So, stick that to one side. So here it is, the iPhone 11. This one's obviously the one that's got the 6.1 inch screen, digital camera, full dual camera system. Feels quite nice actually on first impressions. Quite curved, fairly light, definitely better than my iPhone 6, so I'm well overdue a new phone. Don't come with the actual phone charger, which is a shame. This is just the lightning charger. So I'll need some sort of adapter, I would imagine, for that, which is... I'm going to have to buy another one of those. No headphones either, I don't think. Just have a look. No headphones, nothing. Just the phone. Still, I would imagine it's a decent phone. We're going to go for the 11 Pro Max with a triple camera, but I've got told of a few people, especially for YouTubers and things like that, or videoing, to go for this one because there's not much difference in recording for quality wise. So obviously a dual camera system. It's got faster chip than the majority of phones. It's supposed to have got an all-day battery life. Still our iOS, 6.1 screen, facial recognition dual camera. The front and rear camera are 12 megapixel, which is really good. Two times optical zoom. Digital zoom up to 5 times. Portrait mode, 4G and 5G capabilities depending on your area. I mean, I'm in UK, so all can happen. 194 grams of weight, 1792 times 828 pixels with a resolution at 326 ppi. A13 bionic chip, video at 4K, 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. Digital zoom up to ×3 at 4K. Slow-mo mode. Like I say, it's got nice smooth edges, nice curved design, which is nice. Fast charge cable, yeah, we've been through that. So compare this to the 11 to the Pro. The screen on this one 6.1, the Pro is 6.5 inch. This is dual camera, and the Pro has got triple camera. On this one, on the 11, we've got 2 times optical zoom on your 12 megapixel camera, and on the Pro you've got 4 times optical zoom. On this one you've got, like I say, digital zoom on your videos at 5 times to zoom in, and then you've got optical zoom on the Pro at 10 times. This one's 194 grams compared to the Pro at 226 grams. Pixel wise, the Pro is better, but not much. So this one's 326 ppi, and the other one, the Pro, is 458 ppi. The Pro's supposed to have 4 more hours of charge, but if this lasts all day, then you should be okay with that. And that's about it really. Like I say, we'll find out what it's going to do and what it's going to be like, and start using it to do some more videos for my channel. So thanks for taking the time to just watch this little video, you know, of the phone. I've been GAZ World. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, I've got plenty on there. This is just a one-off to show you what I'm going to be using to do my videos. But for content, I've got cars, I've got bikes, I've got just about everything to do with motorsport on the channel. So be sure to check out the other videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. GAZ World.